Hello, this is Risa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this lace applique for baby headband embellishments. Before we start, consider pressing the subscribe button so you won't miss any update. Prepare 3 petal shape like this. I can hardly find this template, so I use random 6 petals flower shape like this. Draw the 3 petal shape. You can find this template on Google with the keyword 6 petals flower template. Prepare organza fabric and embroidery hoop. Put the fabric on embroidery hoop. I will draw the fabric using water erasable marking pen. Sketches made with this pen will disappear when the fabric is dipped in water. You can see the 3 petal shape. These are the free motion embroidery foot that can be used to embroider this lace applique. I personally prefer this foot, but you can use this too. It's all about preferences. I use size 9 needle to sew organza fabric. Lift this up and slide the embroidery hook. I will use zigzag stitch to embroider this petal shape. We just sew the petal shape using zigzag stitch by moving the embroidery hook. Organza fabric is quite difficult to sew. You just need to practice a little. You can see how I move the embroidery hook and sew the petal shape. you can see the shape. To cut the petal shape, you can just use scissors, but I prefer to use a soldering iron. Heat up the soldering iron and cut the petal shape like this. I like to use a soldering iron because I can cut and seal the fabric at the same time, so the fabric won't fret. Our 3-petal shape is finished. Now prepare chiffon fabric and tulle fabric. I will use this 5-petal shape on chiffon fabric and this on tulle fabric. You can find these templates on Google with the keyword 5 petals flower template. Prepare needle and thread. Lay all fabrics together. The arrangement can be adjusted according to preferences. Sew the beads and rhinestone. Our lace applique is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this lace applique tutorial, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.